Freska's leaving now.
Yeah. The cat just jumped in there.
Isn't that funny? Stole Belle's
Spot.
Uh-huh. What you doing in Mama's lap? What you doing in Mama's lap?
Hey, precious.
I bet y'all aren't bored now, are you?
Probably not.
Oh, Belle's still looking like she's like, what happened?
Precious is begging you.
Mama got patches up here. That's funny.
That's downright hilarious.
That's funny. You know you're cute now, don't you?
She's top cat.
Missy didn't even get up.
No, she moved, but that's it.
Bill's still wondering what the hell happened.
Yep. Yeah, Belle ends up getting up from her spot to growl at the cat. And then the cat just jumps right there where Belle was laying.
That's funny.
That's downright hilarious. I'm recording this right now.
Maybe you lost your place.
Yeah,
that kitty cat get that. Now she's gonna eat the dog's toy.
Yeah. These two are still over here. That tail's still a wagging.
Yeah, now's your time to get revenge. You stole her place, cat.
Belle, or Missy.
Yeah, that's Missy growling.
I always get those two mixed up. They're both fat. Or in your terms, they're well fed.
Overfed.
They're well fed.
Hey, get her. Get her. Don't let her get you. We're gonna move kitty cat. We're gonna move her. Do you want Mama to move her?
Patches is still in your lap. About to get on the table.
Mm-hmm.
She is.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let her get a hold of your drink.
What you want? Oh. Here, you want to learn how to type? Here.
Trying to put the glasses on a dog.
Put Mama's glasses on. Put Mama's glasses
Look at the cat now.
She don't want Belle over there.
Grow a backbone. Don't bark at me all the time. Bark at the cat.
Okay.
Oh no.
You want Mama to move that cat? You want Mama to move that cat?
Hey, Missy.
Hey, Mama, move that cat so you can have your bed. You want Mama to move that cat so you can have your bed?
Okay. Watch it. Oh, they're happy. Patches got the treat. Yep.
Yeah, Mama got her, didn't she? Mama got her out of your bed.
Cat's squirming. Now she's pissed.
Yeah. You don't take her bed. Oh, you get them back legs up and you going ready to start sticking somebody.
Yep. Hey, Belle. Oh, she just runs off.
All she wanted was to lay down in the dog's bed.
Yeah. Hey, Freska.
Did you give? Yeah, you gave Freska the medicine.
Yeah, I did.